Riverside County Supervisors met this morning, providing the public with a coronavirus status update. News Channel 3's Madison Weil was listening in and has more on the county's latest numbers and what's happening in our local hospitals as well. Madison.
Jeff, good afternoon. That meeting began with a basic assessment of where we're at in terms of our hospitals and available resources. Health officials reiterating that our coronavirus numbers are higher than they have ever been, and they are continuing to climb. To give you an idea, they said our hospitalizations countywide are 40% higher right now than they would be during a normal flu season. And most concerning is that about 90% of our ICU beds are full right now. As we know, that's why this regional stay-at-home order is now in effect to try and get those numbers under control. At the same time, concerns were raised in this meeting about the financial and mental health of people in this community, business owners that are suffering and on the brink of bankruptcy because of the shutdown. The majority of public comments were from frustrated people calling for the economy and schools to reopen.
When I go to businesses, I see all the money spent preparing for that. Check our numbers, please. How many people are actually dying from this now?
Nobody's paying attention to what's happening with the students. I'm having moms call me, reach out to me and say, my child tried to take their life. The school knows, the district doesn't.
Health officials also addressed the staffing shortages countywide in our hospitals, saying if hospitals have enough beds but not enough doctors or nurses, those beds are essentially useless. They say they're looking at ways to bring in EMTs, paramedics, shifting the nursing model even, to keep up with patients that just keep filing in. They say they've also secured 30 more ventilators from the state. Those are being held in a warehouse right now on standby. It was also asked where they think we're going to be in about a month from now, and they said they're hoping to see a bend in those numbers by January as we start to see the effects of that shutdown take place. Live from home this morning, Madison Weil, News Channel 3.
Okay, certainly they've got a lot on their plates, and of course do stay with News Channel 3 as we continue to follow the county's reaction to the coronavirus.
Well, new today.